everybody, Artistic Flare here with a little speed art video. Today I will be drawing Dolores from Encanto in my style. Let's begin! Thank you all for checking out this week's video. If you like Dolores or anything Encanto, let me know by giving this video a like. Lets me know you also like content like this, and who knows, maybe I might bring out some more Encanto characters. If you haven't already, consider subscribing over to the channel to get updated on any new content. As always, stay creative!